I'm Chris Wildeboer, the founder of Balance Central, the creator of the Unlock Your Power program, professional speaker, and the catalyst for change in your business. Is your team struggling and confused about decisions and priorities? Would you like all your staff to be communicating effectively? Are you tired of missing deadlines and just not seeing enough progress throughout the financial year? What you need is the next step. Empower your team to step up to the challenges while engaging everyone within your business. Discover the strengths, produce productivity, and focus and find the next step for getting your team on track, fulfilling KPIs and working together as a whole. Turning struggle to triumph, I will personally work with you to establish your goals and tailor a program for your specific organisation and team. I do a deep dive into your team environment, discovering strengths, identifying leaders, and above all, finding ways for your staff to move forward. This allows you as the CEO to get back to your key purpose, enhancing growth and project development for the future. The best part is, every time I work with your team to empower them, we are also making an impact in small communities on a global scale through the B1G1 movement. Every time we interact, you and I get to make a difference beyond your organisation, beyond my organisation. Together, we are making a global impact. If you would like your team to feel more relevant, be more productive when working towards a common goal, and be empowered to contribute to team decisions, it's time to take the next step. The next step in effective communication focuses on the positive contributions of others, identifies that we all have innate strengths, and ensures that effective team focus can be achieved. The next step in productivity shows how simple changes create amazing outcomes through understanding everyone's motivations and individual strengths. The next step in decision-making provides the ability to step away from the chaos, allowing the team to be more engaged and focused on where you need them to be. If you are ready for your team to move from confusion to clarity, let's tailor a personalised plan to take your organisation to the next step. We will have them achieving goals and growing towards a more prosperous and productive future.